Hey guys, Mike from Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Here today working on a 2013 Hyundai Tucson, a common vehicle. Great little vehicle, unless they break. And today we have one with an issue, a check engine light, and a code problem in relation to the runner control, which in this case means the entire intake assembly. What does that mean in layman's terms? Well, I'll let our man Drew explain more in detail.
Morning, everybody. As Mike said, Hyundai Tucson here, 2.4 liter class engine, and
That's a big block.
for Hyundai terms, maybe.
Yes.
Anyhow, intake runner control stuck closed is the code P2006, and what it is, we've got here plastic intake and plastic runner controls, and the issues we get in here are the with all the heat cycles and all that, the runner flaps, they warp and stick within the manifold assembly. So these aren't available through the aftermarket yet, so our replacement one we got is directly from Hyundai. I imagine soon they'll be coming through the aftermarket. They come pretty
How
much
does Hyundai
complete.
do it?
Yeah, they do it pretty well. It's rather complete, and you just got to transfer over the injector rail and injectors.
This looks pretty straightforward. This could be done under a shade tree? Shade tree mechanic?
Yeah, probably.
Give it
not.
to your brother-in-law?
Probably not.
Google mechanic.
Yeah, probably not.
No. Okay, just checking. So we've got the old one out. And where does this go, just so people have a good understanding?
Right here, the front of the engine. You need access to both the top and the bottom. There's different fasteners and all that in the way and all that.
So laying in the driveway in your garage.
Some people can,
Yeah.
but yeah, others would rather leave it to the professionals.
Well, there you have it. There you have it, folks. If your Hyundai or Kia requires a new intake manifold assembly or has that code that Drew mentioned, by all means, give us a call. Please hit subscribe and like to the video. Feel free to share it with anyone in the family that may have a Hyundai with a 2.4 liter engine, because if the code has not come on for them yet, it might just in the future. Have a great day. Urban Automotive, safety first.